Action.
Okay, so start by removing the piston from the liner here and set it down. And we're gonna insert the 2 port seal bushings into the sides of the pump head. We're gonna line the flats on the piston with the 2 port seal bushings. And you'll see the port seal bushings kind of push out a little bit. And when you find the right alignment, it'll sink right in. Then to hold those in place, we're just gonna attach the fittings real quick. Once the liner is in, we're gonna build the base plate. We'll put the O-ring in there. We'll put the lip seal tool on top of the ceramic and insert it there. Next, we're gonna do the gland washer, followed by 2 lip seals. The first lip seal is gonna go with the collar facing down towards the drive pin. It should wiggle on there. The second one, the collar is gonna be facing up towards the lip seal insertion tool. And then they should sit facing opposite each other. Now we can remove the lip seal tool. And we'll introduce the piston and the liner again. And using our 4 little M4 bolts here and a 3mm wrench, we'll tighten these guys down. And we'll go back and just retighten all of them. Okay. Now we'll move on to the compression screw. You're gonna install this little O-ring around the edge here. And then we'll move on to the head seal. You're gonna give it a slight little bend, and that's gonna help it sit right in there. Now, holding the pump head up and the head seal, or the compression screw at the bottom, gently tighten that in until about finger tight. And then we're gonna use a clamp here to hold the pump head in place while we torque the pump head, the compression cap, to 6 foot-pounds. And that's 6 foot-pounds right there. And that. And that's a completed pump head.